Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is glowy, juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, doing what needs to be done. May I let you know, everybody in my freaking village knows I'm a homosexual. If you think they don't know, I am happy for you to get a wood gong and a metal gong and go to the Eke market in my village and announce it to them. Okay, let's get into this outfit quickly. The weather is really nice. I need to get out of this flats. Quickly. Flat cap is thrifted. Tank top is from Cause. Denim pants is from Cause. We love Cause over here. This shirt, I've had this for years and I still love it. I don't know why I was in the shower doing like it is winter, because my goodness, I am freaking hot. These sneakers from Hogan, they are so comfortable and the leather is so soft. So freaking good. My wristwatch from Tommy Hilfiger, these 2 rings, these 2 bracelets. I don't know if it's because of my birthdays in May. Do you know what? I have never ever had any of my birthdays where it rained, like on the actual day of my birthday. It is always sunny and we are having an early summer, which is surprising to me. Mea and Tonka from Jo Malone, Stronger With You by Giorgio Armani. When you are free in your head, when you are in the place where you want to be, life is good. Peace of mind, no wahala. Aname bin domo kansi cho. Hey, what I go? This tote bag from Longchamp. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Make sure to like and share. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.